wonderful world of Disney.
Four Tails on a Mouse. And now, your host, Walt Disney.
Not long ago, we showed you how Mickey Mouse got his start. In his personal album, you saw some of the high spots in his climb to stardom. But Mickey is more than just a movie star. Actually, he's an impresario, sharing his spotlight with many new personalities. Some of them, through their association with Mickey, have gone on to become stars in their own right. There's Minnie, his girlfriend, and Pluto, his faithful dog, Clara Clark, Goofy, and of course, Donald Duck, and many others. When Mickey starred in the award-winning band concert, his friends were nothing more than bit players.